Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we will learn about ellipse, fillet, trim and extend. For ellipse we can choose from the top icon or we can provide the command EL, press enter, then press C, enter. Then we need to click the center point of ellipse and then provide radius value for both axes. Now to make fillet. Fillet removes the sharp end between two lines. The curved part between them is known as fillet. For example, we will create a fillet of radius 30 between these two lines. Now the logic says, if I put the radius value as 0 then the unjoined lines will be joined. We can use one more shortcut, that is without defining the radius value. Press F, then keep Shift pressed and select two lines. This will force selected two lines to meet in the best possibility. Let it be parallel lines, they will be joined with the form of arc. Now looking at the trim, we use TR command and click the part which you want to trim. And same way we can extend the line by using EX. If we want to convert lines into polylines, we need to select them and provide join command, that is J. Select all lines and use type J, then press enter. And if you want to convert the polylines into lines, we need to select them and press X, then press enter. This way we can convert lines into polyline and vice versa. Now let us look at the command polygon. Anything with 3 or more sides is a polygon. For creating a polygon we need command POL. After this, we need to specify how many sides we want for X6. Then we need to click the center point and then we need to specify either inscribed or circumscribed. Inscribed means the polygon will be created inside the radius value we will input. And circumscribed means the polygon will be on the circumference of the radius value we will provide. See the following example. Then we have the polygon with the edge method. Provide command POL and then specify the number of sides and then click edge option. Then provide the starting point and specify the edge value. Here in the following example we will create multiple polygons of edge length 40 and number of sides starting from 3 to 10. Hope you are clear with the multiple commands covered in this tutorial, and if you are facing any doubt then drop your query in the comment section.